Hi everyone, it's Rain again and welcome back into my channel. So today I am gonna show you guys how to get free stuff from Influenster. Yes, you can get a lot of free stuff like a product review from a website that all you have to do is download the app through your iPhone and what's that, through your app store and Google Play Store. So today let's talk about it. And guys, this is so easy. This is really easy how to get this product. All you have to do is make a review, make an honest review to the product that you got, especially like in your household area, the things that you really like the most, the things that you use your everyday life. So you don't have to like buy the things that you don't need and then making a review out of it. So you don't have to do that. So what's inside your house, your makeup, you can make a review out of it. And also your clothes, you can do that also. So there's a lot of things that you can do on Influenster, but first you have to download the app, sign up. It's like a Facebook that it's sounds like a Facebook also, but there's a product include that you have to review, and in return you will get your voxbox. Voxbox is a product that they're gonna give you for free for testing, and complimentary box to review the product. Also, they want you to try and give your honest opinion. So this is what I got. So this is my first voxbox, and I got all my details in here, my name and everything, because you have to sign up and then give your information like your name, where do you live, something like that. And I want you to know that this is available in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and also some part of Saudi Arabia like Kuwait, I think Riyadh also. So I'm not really sure, but there's some part of the Saudi Arabia that you can do this kind of stuff. So this is what I got. This is what I got. So I have the instruction in here. This is the instruction that I need to follow, and if you can see right here, that's like if you finish the product, you got like get a check from your campaign. There's a campaign in there. So it says here that the this one I got this for free, but the MSRP is $5.49, so that's free product right there, Besh. So that's a lot of money for $5. And especially this one, I love to use this because it's water and made out of rose. Like there's the ingredients that made out of rose, but I like rose. I love rose. The smell of the rose is amazing, always amazing. I like this product, and then I tried those already, so that's why it takes me too long to make this video, because I want to try the product first before I make a review, because I don't want to make a review that I haven't tried the product yet, so that's awkward. So this one, as you can see, full focus ba? So short. So this one, yeah, it's a water drop primer based on rose also, and you got this for $5.49. so there you go, almost $10 already, almost $11 already. So the next product that I got, so I forgot to show you guys, it's here. I did not put the box because I already removed it. I got this. This is naked eyelashes. My god, I am always having problem to put fake eyelashes because I don't know how, but this one, it only took me like 2 minutes to do it. So I am in love with this naked drama eyelashes. So if you ask me, I'm gonna get more of this so I can use like a lifetime supply. So that one is $6.99. $6.99. The price, the MSRP of this is $6.99. And this one, the Eva NYC shampoo, which has shampoo and conditioner, and this is the packet size. They give you this for sample, but oh my god, this one smells amazing. I love this. I love the smell of this, and it has argan oil. Everything with argan oil, I love it. So I always use argan Moroccan oil for my hair like this. If you can see right now, it's wavy and it's a little bit shiny because I put argan oil. So I love this. What I love of this shampoo is your hair is not gonna be greasy even if you put conditioner. So it is like natural looking hair. I love this product. So the product, this one, you have to pay for the big bottle is $12. So, but they give you a sample. It's a sachet. But if you want to get this kind of product, you have to pay $12. That one. Next is I got this one. So if you have a boils and if you have a like itching something into your hands, you can use this. And especially me, I got a boo-boo in here, right here. It's like itching something in here. Like I always use house cleaning products, so I am allergic to that. So I use this for thing, but this is so effective. This is so nice. I love this. So, but this one is only the box because I remove the product inside. And so it's like when you open this, you have to twist it like you're like a lip balm, but this one, look at that. So you can like do this, do with your fingers and rub it, so the itchiness will go away. So I got those. And the product of the price of the MSRP of this is $8.99. There you go, $8.99. And then the last one is the butter. So the crock-pot butter. But this one right here, hold on. This one right here, this is the crock-pot, but we already used the butter, and it take me forever to find the butter because the butter is not available at Walmart. It's not available at Target yet because this is the brand new product from brand new plant butter from County Crock. It's not like on the market yet, but Food Lion has. So that's why it took me forever to find the product. I have to research and where I could find the product, and finally I found it in Food Lion. So I was happy with that. And what do you call that? And Food Lion is far from my house. It like took 45 minutes to drive there. So it's kind of hard, but I already get over it. So that's all I get. And overall, my experience of this Influenster is amazing because I got all the stuff for free. And also, if you want to sign up, if you want to join the team, check my description down below so you can sign up, and you can always go to the website if you want to. And this is really easy. And also I want to tell you guys that if you have YouTube channel, you have Facebook page, you have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have Google Plus, you might want to connect that because that will give you a lot of impact. So impact means is The higher the impact you got, the higher the chance you get a free product to review. Because if you don't have a, what do you call that, if you don't have a lot of followers, like if you only have 100 followers on Facebook, the company might not trust you, or the company might not send you a product for review, because they want a lot of impact. And also it's so easy because there's always an instruction in the app that you can connect this, you can. And also if you have a website, that's really nice, and because you can always like make a review to your website, because they wanted to see the review. Also they wanted to read the review. So if you have that, you can connect that also. I have a blog and I connect that also. So it's really nice, it's really nice. And also what else, connect that. You can create a discussion also and join a discussion. That's the most important, because you never know what's going on the website. It's like Facebook, you communicate, you comment, you like, and something like that. And it's almost the same thing, but you can shop there also, because it is connected to everything, like makeups, clothes, and also everything. And you can see that sometimes they got a cashback, so that's a good thing. And I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. And overall, this product is amazing, and I hope to get another batch. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And I am so sorry that it took me too long to make this video, because it took me a while to use all the products. And the first thing that I use, I think the first one that I use is this homeopathic drawing salve for minor, also aids relieving discomfort for minor skin irritation. So this is made in the USA. This one made in the USA. I love this product. And I think I comment one of my product on Facebook, and oh my god, they said this drawing salve is amazing. This is amazing. So I was super duper happy what I got. And if you guys want to join the team, check the description down below and sign up, and then start snapping. I mean, if you have like this, like I have like this, a makeup, all of my makeup right here from what do you call that, from argan oil, everything, and makeup, eyebrows, eyeshadows, and everything. I snap it, and then this is what I got. This is what I got to receive the product for free. So if you guys are interested, and if you guys want to do this also, because you know it doesn't take that much time, because the product, you don't have to be like put a lot of content in there, or put a lot of messages in there for the product. They just want your honest review. That's all that matters. Honest review, what do you think about the product, if you want to continue buying the product. So that's all they want to know. Even me, if I don't like some of my products, so I take a snap in there that I said I'm not gonna like this product, and I'm not gonna use this product. So they want your honest opinion. They don't want you to be like saying good things to the product, which is in your heart it's not. So they don't want that. All they want is the honest review. So that's all for today, guys, and I am happy to share this with you, because this is all for free. So I did not spend any dollars on this. I would never spend $1 for doing this, because it's kind of expensive. It's kind of expensive because I don't want to buy a lot of product that I don't need, because I want, you know what I'm saying, like you buy a product because you want, you buy a product because you need. So I don't want to do that, but I think I got too much in here. So just forget about it. And I'm so happy with all the product that I got, and I love it so much. And I want you to join also Influenster, so you could like start snapping, especially here in the United States and also some other countries, because they already expand the correct me if I'm wrong, that they already expand to Saudi Arabia. I know that because I searched the country availability of this website. So if you want to join and if you want to snap, you're not gonna lose anything anyway. Like snapping, you want to post something on Facebook, and then you have this very nice a nice caption of the product, and then why not posting on snapping on Influencer, and in return you will get a free product for review, and that's all for free. So that's what I get so excited. I'm so excited for the next one. And so overall I saved like almost 30 bucks. So can you imagine that, saving a lot of money? I love it. So anyway, once again, this is iNovember Rain, and check my description down below how to sign up and how to do this if you really want to know. And again, this is iNovember Rain, and see you in my next video. Bye.